Hi guys, it's Kath. Today's video is a bit different. It's not a tutorial, but instead a walkthrough of how I made my entry for the Design Within Reach Champagne Chair contest. The premise is to create a miniature chair using nothing more than the corks, cages, foils, and labels from a max of 2 champagne bottles. Thankfully, the host sent me the supplies, so I didn't actually need to drink 2 entire bottles of champagne. I'll only be using 1 foil, 1 label, and 2 cages. I first cut the foil into 1/8 inch strips. Then I take 1 cage and remove the rounded base. Flatten out the indents. Then begin attaching the strips to it in an egg shape. As you see, I weave the strips to create the seat. Cut out the crest from my label and add it to the back of the chair. Now I grab the top part of that cage to create the hanging mechanism. Unwrap all the wire. Using an electric drill and some pliers, twist the 2 long ends back together. This will be what the seat hangs from. For the chair base, we need the base from a second cage. Curl the hanging part, and now we're ready to attach the seats. That's it. I love reusing packaging, so this contest was super fun. If you want to enter, the details are in the description box below. If you want to make a mini hanging chair with other craft supplies, I hope this video gives you an idea of how to accomplish that. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. I'll see you next time. Bye.